How to use MTD Shift on the go. The MTD Shift on the go lawn tractor transmission, also called Transmatic, is a simple design that combines a single-speed transaxle with forward and reverse gears and a variable speed belt drive. Although the speed control has 6 or 7 positions, depending on tractor model, these positions are actually nothing more than shifter detents. The foot brake/clutch pedal is connected to the same belt drive control, so the speed control is similar to a cruise control on a car. Things you will need: Owner's manual. Sit on the tractor and disengage the PTO. Place the shifter in neutral, the speed control in park, and push the clutch/brake all the way down. Pull out the choke knob and advance the throttle control. Turn the key and start the tractor. Push the choke control in. Move the shifter to the forward position. Move the speed control to the 1 or 2 position. Release the clutch/brake gradually. Once you are moving, advance the speed control to a speed you are comfortable with. Push the clutch/brake pedal to slow down for obstacles. You can hold the pedal in any position that gives you the desired speed, with no danger of damaging anything. Release the pedal to resume speed. Push the clutch/brake pedal all the way down to stop. Shift from forward to reverse while holding the pedal down, then release the pedal to back up. Push the clutch/brake pedal all the way down, shift to neutral, and place the speed control in park to park the tractor. Tips warnings. If you engage the PTO, you will have to disengage it before backing up. Always watch where you are going, and do not operate the tractor when children are nearby.